Hey, we've got a Lidl shop. It was £68 and where's my receipt? 46p. And I thought I would show you what we've got. Beans, because you always need beans. Grapes, they don't look great, but they were the best ones they had, and I needed grapes, and I just didn't have time to go anywhere else. Mixed herbs, because I completely ran out. A bag of sweet seedless peppers for Aria, and Mika will eat the yellow ones. 2 tins of boiled peeled potatoes. They look gross, but they fry up lovely and they're cheap. Ketchup, mozzarella. I've got the kids some Christmas cards to give to their friends. Wholemeal pita, little pancakes, a garlic bread, some pain au chocolat. The kids like these as snacks. A fake Lurpak, kids apples, hash browns, bagel thins, 2 lots of waffles. I haven't been able to get waffles for months, so I've got 2 lots of those. One's going to go in the freezer. 6 eggs. Got myself some of this. I love this. It's so yummy. There's a doll head. And then Gary, obviously, because it's a food video. Caffeine-free Coke. Some nappies for Fox. Apples for me. A weird looking lettuce, but it'll be fine. I got Fox a little whole milk just because he likes to pour from these. My chocolate chip tub got emptied the other day, so I've just got some to fill that back up. Dark chocolate rice cakes, pork mince, beef mince, fish fingers, because we're having a lazy dinner tonight, fish fingers. 2 lots of squash for the kids, ham for the week. Ari requested mini rolls and they didn't have any, so I got fondant fancies. 2 lots of frubes, a cheese, a cabbage, so I can make cabbage roll in a bowl soup again. And I also got some shampoo and conditioner, but the kids are all upstairs having showers. Ben's mum is here giving them all showers. So that is upstairs, but that was it. That was my food shop, and I will come back and talk to you about the meal plan later on. Hey, my cold sore's really bad and I've got some cream on it, so I don't want to be on the camera. But the meal plan for the week: today, chicken and nugs. Tomorrow, sausage and chips. Omelettes on Tuesday, and Ari's gonna have a vegan sausage roll. Wednesday's Nacho Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, I'm not sure yet. I don't know, bolognese. I've got this. I know that's not how you spell bolognese, it's just how I write it because the kids think it's funny. I've got some ready-made bolognese that I've already made like a couple of weeks ago in the freezer. So we'll have that, but I don't know what else to do. Like, I don't know. And the kids aren't being particularly helpful with what they want to eat. Hey, Binksy cat. So if anyone has any easy, kid-friendly dinners, that would be amazing. This cat is literally trying to jump onto me. Binksy cat, you are ridiculous. Oh my god. Yeah. So, my gross cold sore face. Yeah. I don't know what to do on those 2 days. I've got some soup that I made for me. The kids are having their home packed lunches at school. And I've got some buffalo cauliflower as well. So yeah, that is it. Oh my goodness, this cat. This bloody cat. He is just amazing. Yeah, so that was my little Lidl shop for this week. But yeah, I would love your suggestions for easy kid-friendly meals. Yeah, thanks for watching. I love you, bye.